Hi everybody, I hope you're having a good day today. Let's get started with our work for day number 17. All right, so we're gonna start with warm-up number 144, and it says write the word with a capital letter. Can, how, play. Number 2, add punctuation. I want pizza. Does it need a period, a question mark, or exclamation mark at the end? Number 3, write the plural noun. I took 6 bites, or I took 6 bite. And the last one, filling the missing letter for mail. On the back, you're doing your 100s chart or using that plastic sheet. On this page, it's page 235. Again, we're going to be writing our entire letter. So the first one, we're going to do plane, 6, volcano, jar, jellyfish, violin, box, Valentine, and axe. I'm going to do the first 3 with you, and then the rest you get to do by yourself. So plane, I hear the pl sound like plug. Plane, and it says A, so I need my magic E. We did use our analyze chart, so I'm going to put that little star. 6 is a CVC word. S-I-X. Volcano, if we clap it, we hear volcano. Volcano. Let's go over the rest of these. Jar has your R sound off your chart. Jelly has that E sound like happy. And fish has that sh sound. This one, violin, you're going to have to stretch it out. Box is a CVC word. You should be able to sound it all out. Valentine, you are going to have a magic E at the end. And axe, you're going to be able to sound that one out. On the back for this one, we're just going to do the beginning sound. So let's say the pictures together. Zoo, quilt, soap, yak, 0, zebra, yarn, mask, and queen. So I'll do the first 3 and then the rest you can do by yourself. Zoo, they already gave us the answer. It's right there. Let's make our best Z. Quilt has the qu sound, which is the Q and the U. And soap, they already gave us the answer. We're just going to put our S. So you can finish the rest by yourself. The next job, we're going to do math lesson 10.4. And today we're identifying, naming, and describing cylinders. So I like to think about real life things. I know I have cylinders in my cupboard right now, which are cans. So I'm going to put a can like this. I just put my oval shape and then my 2 lines down and across. And I think I'm going to make mine corn. But you can make yours whatever you want it to be. And something else I'm thinking about, I have a cup. And actually I have my cup right here. That's a cylinder. So I'm going to make my shape like this. And I'm going to come down. And my cup has a straw too. And guess what shape my straw is? It's also a cylinder. Just like that. And then my cup has my name on it. So I'm going to put Mrs. Dolmage. But you can make any objects in your house that are that shape, a cylinder. 2 flat sides, and it's round around the sides. So some shapes that are not a cylinder. Some shapes that are not a cylinder, that are 3D shapes, we could do a pyramid. I'm going to do a triangular pyramid just like that. And another shape that's not a cylinder is a cube. So I'm going to make my first square, I'm going to make my L, come down, and connect my corners. All right, next side. For the top one, they want to know, does a cylinder have a flat surface? If you look, the top right here is flat, and so is the bottom that you can't see right now. So yes, it does have a flat surface. And does it have a curved surface? Yeah, the sides right here are curved. You can roll it. If you get a can out of your pantry or out of your cupboard, you'll see you can roll it across your table. And you can also slide it. On this one, they want to know how many flat surfaces there are. We have 1 here, and we have 1 on the bottom. So that's 2 flat surfaces. Flip it like a pancake. On this side, they want us to find the objects that are shaped like cylinders. I'm going to do the first one. the can right there is a cylinder. Even though it's short, it's still a cylinder. Find the rest and put your X's. The last page, on the top, they want us to figure out which one is this shape. I have 2 flat surfaces. Which shape am I? Mark an X on that shape. And last but not least, they want us to draw a real life shape at our house. That's a cylinder. So I'm thinking, oh, I know I have one. And you have one too. Hopefully in your supply bag, it looks like this. It has a cylinder cap and a cylinder part like this on the bottom. It has a little turn part. And I'm going to put the word right here. If you haven't guessed what it is, mine's glue. You can make whatever you have at your house that's a cylinder. Our next job, this is an extra job again, so I don't want anybody frustrated. This is page 41, and it's again 2 digits adding. This time we have not only 2 digits on the top, but we also have 2 digits on the bottom. So I'm going to do it 2 ways. So the first way is just adding the column. So I have 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. I'm ignoring that first one. And then I'm going to my tens. 110 and 110 makes 20. So I'm going to put my 2, 25. The other way to do it is I can count up, which is going to be really, really tough. So I wouldn't recommend it for this page. It's too high of numbers. I'm going to just do it the column way. So 9 and 0 ones makes 9. And 1 and 2 tens makes 3 tens. So I have 39. One more. I'm going to ignore the first part again. I do the ones first. So 3 plus 0 is 3. And 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 tens and 2 tens makes 4 tens. So I have 25, 39, and 43. Maybe a parent or a sister or a brother, an older one, can help you with this. The last job today, we're looking at forest animals still. Remember, you're using mine as a sample, but you should be looking at the videos, the stories, the World Book to get some ideas to make your own sentences. Let's read mine together. It says, eagles live in forests. They eat animals. They have large talons. And if you're doing some research, you should learn that talons are their big nails, their big toes on the bottom that they grab animals with. I hope everything's great. I'll see you again soon. Bye.